另外来看这美国媒体呢，伊是放消息讲，对中国的关税有可能会降到50%到65%之间。也毋过，这北京煞强调讲，美国是要高一方面来降关税。也若中国是回应讲，你若准备拍，我是食清饭等你；也若你要讲，我嘛随时欢迎。
美中关税大战暂时出现降温的时机。法尼基日报第3独家报道讲，美国总统川普可能对中国的关税降到50%到65%。川普表示，即有真侪国家当咧甲美国接触，刷出来2礼拜到3礼拜，关税方面都有一个数字出来。
We're dealing with a lot of countries right now, and could be with China, but maybe we'll make a special, a deal.
Were you worried about what the 145% tariffs were doing to small businesses here in the U.S.? Is that why you're bringing it down?
No. I haven't brought it down. I haven't brought it still 145. We're going to get along great with China. I have no doubt about it.
中国外交部23强调讲，中国的态度真明显，唔愿拍也唔惊拍。
打奉陪到底，谈大门敞开。
美国的财政部长贝辛德23表示，最近数据显示，中国的经济当咧对消费往制造业起过，由制造业出口贸易带经济成长，也会致使因价贸易伙伴当起平真严重，这应该改变。
There is an opportunity for a big deal here, that the U.S. is looking to rebalance to more manufacturing.
另外，在美国加州了后，纽约州当港联合其他11个州对川普政府提起联邦诉讼，表示川普根据国际紧急经济权利法所实施的这个关税措施，欠国会授权，违反宪法甲行政庭司法，要求法院阻止执行。路透社23公布的民调显示，37%美国人认同川普的经济治理表现，这是比伊头一任总统期间的任何时期拢搁较低。公司新闻黄文荣编译。